Machiegni kendo nyakwar mga juang tend kaonti ma Siaya kokale bad migao mar thieth okwedo ripode mawacho ni alwora no ema nitiere kod kwan malo mar mine matho ka konyore. Jatije mar weche thieth e kaonti no Kennedy Horwenjo kwedo paro manondik gi gazet mar Global Health ni Siaya ema oyombo e kwan thoe makamago. Kuwero malalruok ewi chenro mag weche nyodo motelne gi riwruok mar nyimine CBO oyango ni kwan ma ochiw e ripod no ok ni kare ka irango nonro mawuok e kuonde thieth mag kaonti no ma ok nyis ni thoe mar mine e kinde konyruok ni malo.
But we keep time. Festival,
1, 2, 3.
Our real maternal mortality ratio is 67. It's below even 100, below the national target of 100.
From these outreaches, we saw a number of young people accessing family planning services. A number of them were also taken through HIV and testing, of which a number accepted to know their status, because it's important. If one knows their status, they'll also be initiated on treatment in good time. And when it comes to the other services, also family planning services were also offered during the outreach services. And general counseling for the community members. The outreaches will continue in the community.
We also have the health system monitoring program that is still going on in our two facilities, Kambajo and Kapio. We will continue to empower the community to go and seek services.
This is not the end of the sexual and reproductive health rights. It's just a program that has come to an end, but given that they have been capacity built, they can now go and advocate for their rights.
Weche makawuono Afrika hingo diochieng' dialo ratich nyithindo mag Afrika.